Hello everyone. Today we'll learn about switching between applications using keyboard shortcuts. Okay. I will show it to you on the Windows, and then for Mac, I'll also show you guys the keyboard, and then you could do it if you're a Mac user. Okay. So let's say you want to switch forward in Windows. What you will do is you'll press Alt and Tab. Okay, on your keyboard. Let me bring up the virtual keyboard so I could show it to you. So on the virtual keyboard, what you would do is you'll press Alt and then Tab, and then this will give me all the windows that are open on my computer. Okay, and then if you continue pressing Alt and Tab, you could actually, as you can see, let me move this down. Alt and Tab, and then if you hold the Alt and then keep on pressing the Tab, you could actually see the windows is getting highlighted and it moves to the next one. Okay, let's say I'm on my YouTube channel and then I press Alt and Tab and I want to go back to my other documents. Let's say I want to go to this notes. I'll just hold it and then leave the Alt and Tab. I'll just maximize this window for me. Okay. Similarly, on Mac, you would press Command and Tab instead of the Alt. You'll press Command and Tab. Okay, and then switching backward, you would press on Windows. You'll press Alt, Shift, and Tab. Okay, let's do it from this virtual keyboard. So we're going to press Alt, Shift, and then Tab. That'll bring back the windows that are currently open on my machine. And then if I keep on pressing Alt, Shift, and Tab, Alt, Shift, and Tab, I could actually go backward. Okay, as you can see, Alt, Shift, and Tab. As you can see, I'm going backward. Okay, and then let's say I want to go back to this notes. I'll just release it and I'll just it'll take me back to the notes. And then for the Mac user, you would be pressing Command, Shift, and Tab, and then that'll do the same. All right, for Mac user, as I promised, this is your keyboard on Mac. So to switch forward, you'll be pressing Command and then Tab, which is this command, and then you'll press Tab. Okay, to switch forward, and to switch backward on Mac, you would press Command, Shift, and Tab, Command, Shift, and the Tab. All right.